It is a mid-size crossover SUV called the Telluride. The car made its debut in 2019 and has since gained popularity. It is the largest vehicle in the US Kia lineup, featuring 5 doors and a roomy interior. The 2021 Kia Telluride is marketed as a family vehicle with high-end features and style. There is no holding back, according to the automaker, when operating this SUV. So, let's take a close look at the 2021 Kia Telluride issues. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Exterior lighting problems. Numerous customer complaints focus on the vehicle's exterior lighting. Customers have complained that the vehicle's lights don't illuminate sufficiently or correctly when the car is moving. Particularly, there are issues with the front corner lights. It can often be challenging to see clearly when the vehicle is in dim or poorly lit areas. Some complaints about exterior lighting have to do with how much light is produced when a car turns. They observe that only a small portion of the road is illuminated as a vehicle turns the corner, because it can be challenging to see other road users, such as cyclists and pedestrians. This flaw increases the risk of an accident. Numerous trim options have been reported to have poor side illumination. Transmission slipping on the freeway. The car's transmission slipping is another issue with the transmission. The RPMs increase when this slips, but the drivetrain still has no power. The driver claimed that in some circumstances, when this occurs, they coast on the interstate. Others claim that their vehicles accelerate very slowly, even at low speeds, and as the dashboard indicator's RPM reading rises. This may make it difficult for the driver to maintain the required speed, raising the possibility of an accident. Those who have reported transmission slipping issues have noticed they keep getting worse. Vibration in the steering wheel. Numerous complaints about the Kia Telluride's transmission's performance have been made. Some motorists claim to experience a noticeable vibration in the steering wheel. As they press the gas pedal to accelerate, they can feel it there as well. They observe that this frequently occurs when they are traveling at 60 to 80 miles per hour on the highway. Kia consumer assistants and dealers are not being helpful. To solve the problem, they just force balancing the wheels. But this procedure doesn't help. There are multiple people on forums with the same problem. Dealers replace drive shafts and all-wheel drive couplers in some rare cases, which resolves the issues but ignores others. Airbag issues. Even though it might not seem important, occupants could get into serious trouble if an accident happened. According to NHTSA campaign number 21V164000, some affected vehicles may not recognize when a child restraint system is in the front passenger seat, which could lead to the airbag inadvertently deploying and inflicting additional injuries. The airbag system seems to be simply adhering to the slogan "no holding back," even when it should. Windshield chips. The windshield of the Kia Telluride is one of the most frequently mentioned complaints about it. Small chips out of the glass panel are also included. The windshield has been reported to crack even when the car is not being driven. For instance, one driver reported that while the car was being protected, the windshield glass broke overnight. Several chips across the entire windshield, not just one, were also mentioned by some drivers. Vehicles with low mileage, between 10,000 and 13,000 miles, have reported that these concerns are starting to become an issue. There has been no word from Kia regarding any known windshield defects, but owners of new cars should have a warranty for it. Wind noise and sound. The increasing wind noise inside the car is another issue. This is a typical issue with different SUVs. Some drivers claim that the interior of the car makes a lot of air noises or whistles occasionally. As the vehicle's speed rises, the noise gets louder. The overall drivability of the car does not appear to be affected, but the driver may become distracted as a result. Since its official release on the market, the Kia Telluride has become one of the most well-liked SUV options in its segment, winning multiple awards along the way. However, every vehicle has drawbacks, and owners of the 2021 Kia Telluride must put up with these annoying problems.